Imagine for a moment a world where your morning coffee is prepared by a machine that knows your preferred brew to the last drop, or your daily commute is handled by a self-driving car that can predict the traffic ahead. In fact, you don't have to imagine. This is the reality we live in. We're in a world where artificial intelligence is as ubiquitous as the air we breathe. But what does this mean for us as a society? To delve into this, we reached out to some of the leading minds in the field of artificial intelligence. Dr. Anita Patel, a pioneer in AI research, shares her insights. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, she says, from healthcare to education to even our personal relationships. But it's not without its challenges. There are ethical considerations like privacy and job displacement that we need to address. Then we have Dr. Benjamin Lee, a philosopher specializing in technology ethics. He argues the integration of AI in our daily lives poses significant ethical dilemmas. While it promises efficiency and convenience, it also raises concerns about autonomy, privacy, and social inequality. It's a delicate balance that we need to strike. These perspectives underline the complex relationship we have with artificial intelligence. On one hand, it's a powerful tool that can make our lives easier. On the other, it's a force that, if left unchecked, can lead to unforeseen consequences. In this era of AI, it's important for us to understand the technology that's increasingly shaping our world. It's not just about the convenience of having a smart home or the efficiency of automated systems. It's about understanding the implications of these advancements on our society, our ethics, and ultimately, our humanity. To sum up, today's video brought to light the profound impact of AI on our daily lives. We heard from experts who highlighted the immense potential of AI, as well as the ethical dilemmas it presents. We learned that while AI offers numerous benefits, it's important to address the challenges it brings to ensure a balanced coexistence. As we navigate this AI-driven world, let's remember the words of Dr. Patel and Dr. Lee. The power of AI is in our hands. How we use it will shape our future, and with that thought, we leave you to ponder, to question, and to understand the role of AI in our world.